sweeties, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a mini cast stuffing and some of my saving challenges. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I'm so happy, so grateful that you guys are here. And the ones that's been rocking and rolling me this whole time, I'm so grateful for your continued support. And also, the ones who have not subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. Alright sweeties, those of you guys that are new watching my channel, I want to let you guys know that over here, I do cast stuffings, expense check-ins, saving challenges, happy mail unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging, and I also do budgeting. My goal is to save as much as I can and become debt-free. All right, sweeties, how are you guys all doing? Hope you guys all doing well. Me, honey, I'm doing well. So, sweeties, this week, everything has been going all right. I have no complaints this week. I've been doing the usual, binge watching you guys' videos. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, that kind of thing. So this week, and my plans is to absolutely do nothing. Y'all, I don't want to do anything this weekend. I just want to chill, relax, watch a good movie, eat, and that's it. Now, what I might do is I might start working on some of my planners. I have about 3 or 4 planners. I can't remember how many planners now I have. But I think I want to start working on some of them for the month of March. But I am planning on doing a, planning video. So be looking out for that coming up soon. And let me see, what else? I'm planning on going to church, of course. And that's about it. I just want, once again, y'all, I just want to chill out, relax, honey, and just enjoy myself at home. So, sweeties, I hope you guys have a fun, safe, and awesome weekend. All right, sweeties, so the amount of money that I'm going to be cast stuffing today is going to be a total of $31. All right, sweeties, so I am going to take the money out of this bank bag. I'm going to place this bank bag on the side, and I'm going to count to make sure it comes out to $31. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. And that is correct. All right, sweeties, what I'm going to do is I am going to separate the denominations. I'm going to place it over here in this cash tray. All right, sweeties, so today we are going to be working and cast stuffing with Butterfly Digital Code Budgets. You guys, she makes these beautiful, amazing saving challenges books. She makes beautiful saving challenges, period, you guys. And so we're going to be working with 2 of her books today. And so she has a beautiful website, and she has an Etsy shop. And once again, you guys, go over there and go check her out. And she's also here on YouTube. I'm not sure if she's on TikTok, but she's also on Instagram, if I didn't say that already. So, sweeties, I'm going to cast stuff one of her first books. So, sweeties, here it is. This is a beautiful saving challenge book. This is the Saving Butterfly Challenge book. Absolutely love this. It includes 80 fun saving challenges, and it says over 50,000 in challenges. So, sweeties, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up to the section where it says oh so many savings. And so I'm going to be turning, let me move this out the way. So I'm going to turn to this saving challenge that I have been working on. I started it. And so I want to let you guys know that before I had started filming, I had colored in these 2 squares. And so this is a $5 pair of scissors, and so this is a $4 cup of coffee. So even though I already colored the squares in, I did not cast stuff the money yet. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to cast up the money. And so once again, the scissors were $5 and the coffee is worth $4, and so that gives us a total of $9. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to move this book on the side, and I'm going to take my wallet here, my binder, y'all. And I am going to open it up and turn to the envelope here. And so let me turn to the Oh So Many Savings envelope. And so I'm going to cast up that $9. So let me take a $5 bill. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, you guys. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, sweeties. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to see how much money so far that I have since I did this, started this challenge. All right, so let me see how much money. So far in this saving challenge, I have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. All right, sweeties. So far, I have $29 saved up in the It's a Plan saving challenge, and that once again is in the Oh So Many saving challenge section. All right, sweeties, I'm going to move this binder on the side here. So I'm going to we're going to be working on this book as well. So once again, this is by the Butterfly Digital Co. She made this beautiful book as well. This is called the Fun Savings Challenge book. And so it says it includes over $10,000 in easy saving challenges. So, sweeties, I'm going to open this up. And so I'm going to turn to the section where I've been working in. And so this is called, the section that I'm working in, is called How Sweet the Savings. Savings is so sweet. I know that's right. All right, sweeties. So let's turn the page here. And I have been working on, let's turn it this way. I have been working on the Sugar Rush Savings Challenge. So, sweeties, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be coloring and I'm going to be cast stuffing. So, sweeties, I'm going to be working with my Craze Art pencils. And so I am going to, let me see. I am going to start with the $7. So, sweeties, I'm going to take 5, 6, 7. I'm going to place this on the side for now, and then I'm going to place all the monies in my, my binder over here. So, sweeties, I'm going to color all this in. So, this video is probably going to be a little bit quiet because I'm going to be doing some coloring. So this right here, this is a lot to color. So, let's start. I'm going to try to do the best I can with coloring, since this is a kind of a lot with the house. And so I might just, just make it glamorous, beautiful off camera, y'all. So I'm just going to just do the bare minimum. I mean, not the, Lord have mercy. Y'all, excuse me, I don't know what I'm saying. It is late tonight, y'all. And so I'm just talking out of my head. I am kind of sleepy, but I'm fine though. But, it's been a kind of a long day. But I'm okay with that, y'all. It's been active, productive, and it's been all right. I'm in my element right now, y'all. I love to color. And so that's what I might be doing too this weekend, y'all. I'm probably going to work on my some of my planners, and I'm probably going to be doing some coloring too, y'all. I absolutely love this. This is such a stress reliever for me, y'all, and so much fun. I just love it. I used to color all the time, y'all, when I was young. I used to just take a coloring book. You know, my mom used to buy us coloring books and stuff. And I used to take the coloring book and I used to just sit at the table and just color, y'all. I just love colors, period. It's just so much fun. All right, sweeties, I'm almost down to the wire of coloring like this house. All right, sweeties, I'm going to do a better job off camera. And so I think I'm going to be coloring in, I guess this is the window. So I'm going to take $5 right here. I'm going to place it right here on the side, y'all. And so I'm going to color this window. I have no idea what I'm going to be coloring that window with. Let's see. I don't know, y'all. I think I might do, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know, y'all. I think I'm gonna color with this. This is like a purple, pink. I don't know, y'all. I keep saying that. That's because, oh, this keep coming out. I don't know how this house gonna look. That's why I keep saying that, y'all. Let me see. Let's see what I can do, y'all. This is so much fun to color, y'all. I'm gonna color this part. Now I'm thinking about, should I just don't color the inside of this window and just leave it alone? I'm not sure. Once again, y'all, I'm talking crazy because I'm tired. It is real. I mean, it's late, y'all. It is about like 2. Wait, let me look at the time. Y'all, it is 2:05 in the morning. And I have to get up in a couple of hours to actually to work. And so, you know, I've been trying when I got home from work. Actually, I went grocery shopping and I was in the stores for so long. I went to different stores. And so that's what I usually do when I go grocery shopping, y'all. I go to like different stores for different things. Like I go to one store for produce. I go to another store for like my snacks. And then I go to the other store for like my meats. Isn't that something, y'all? So I'm really, excuse me, I'm just exhausted, y'all. But anyway, y'all, I broke my my pencil right here, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do is, I think I am going to color the inside. I think I might do the inside of this window. Y'all, I think I might do it yellow. I think I'm going to color it yellow, y'all. Let's see how this looks. And so once again, I already placed the $5 over here. And let me finish coloring this right quick. Sorry for shaking the table, you guys. So now I'm going to cast off. I'm going to do $6 for the door here. And so I just put down the 5. And let me take a 1. All right, sweetie. So I'm going to color that door some weird colors, y'all. I'm going to color the door green. Let me find my green pencil here. Here we go. All right. Let's make that door green. And I'm going to make it look better off camera. And so I am going to, let me see how much money I have left. I got $4 left. So since I have $4 left, I'm going to finish the shingles over here on this side. So I'm going to color purple. Let me color this purple. I don't know what's wrong with my pencils, y'all. The lead keep coming out of them for some reason. But that's okay. All right, sweeties. We're going to color the next little shingle. I think I'm going to do blue. And I think I'm going to use, let's see. I'm going to use this blue. All right, sweeties. So the next, I'm going to make that yellow. And then the last shingle. I'm going to make that, I think I'm going to do, let's see. I think I'm going to do pink, y'all. Let's see. Here we go. All right. All right, sweeties. So I think I think I'm going to be done for tonight. And so let me make sure I have the $4 here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move this book on the side, you guys. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my binder. Here we go. And then I'm going to open up to the cash envelopes in the back here. And let's see. And this is the... Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, this is the House So Sweet. This is in that section where we just did. And so what I'm going to do is I keep track. Well, these are trackers. And so I'm going to update it off camera. So, sweeties, let me add to this here. Let me put it all in order. All right, sweeties. Okay, so let me see how much money I have now from the Fun Saving Challenge book. And once again, we working on the section where it says how sweet, but the challenge is called the Sugar Rush Challenge. All right, sweeties, so let's see how much I have so far. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. All right, sweeties, so far I have a total of $39. And so I'm going to place this money back inside this envelope here. All right, sweeties. So that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications for my video uploads. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, sweeties.